Hi, in this video I will show you how to connect all the pieces that we made in the previous series of doing mosaic crochet in the round. For my call that I'm preparing, I will have 11 different sizes of blocks, and they have to be put together all together, and I will show you the trick how to do that in this video. Before we really get started, I first want to explain you a little bit. You see here that I have two blocks, and these blocks have 15 stitches on each side. And well, if you make them together, you will get a side with 30 stitches. Well, I have another block here that's different size, and it has 29 stitches on the side. So if you want to crochet that together, you will have an issue because you have an extra stitch here, and that is why I figured out how to do that to get around that extra stitch. And when I was thinking about solutions and I was trying all kinds of things, I was thinking of my interwoven crochet version and how I connect the blocks here. And actually we are going to do it the same way like this interwoven crochet piece. And to be able to do that, we have to prepare a little bit, and that is what I will show you next. The preparation of what I will do is actually starting in this row 3A, the second to last row, and I will use now this block that I've prepared. And well, you see here that in this second to last row we have a single crochet here just before the corner, and then we have the two corner stitches, which are usually 2 chains, and then we have 11 stitches all around, and these are all solid, we don't have drop down double crochets. And well, we will first do something different in the corners, because we will do a closed corner, and that's not hard to do. It's very simple actually. And well, let's do this. Okay, we will do our round, and we just start like usual. And so we pick up our next color and we pull the white tight, we make our chain stitch, and we do our first single crochet into that corner here, and do not forget to take the white yarn with you, and of course not the yarn end but the yarn of the ball. Put it over your hook sorry, and do a single crochet. I have been singing yesterday with my choir and that has affected my my voice, so I hope you don't mind. Well, we have done our first single crochet here, and what we will do now is a solid corner. And a solid corner is like this. So instead of the 2 chains, you will first do a chain in that you will first do a single crochet into that last chain of this row, and the second single crochet will be done into this chain of the previous row. So let's do our 2 corner stitches. I will call it stitches. So this is number 1, and do the next single crochet into this corner stitch here. Now what we will also do is I will place a marker into that second single crochet we did, and well, it's just to help. And now we have to do 11 single crochets on this side. So the first one is like normal into that corner chain. So we will have 2 single crochets into that corner stitch here also. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, oops, 9, 10, 11, and we end in this chain stitch of the previous row, and then we do our closed corner again. So first 1 into that same chain, and then 2, and then again do 11 and work into that corner chain first. So I will do that for all sides, and when I'm ready doing that I will get back to you. I have come to my last corner, and I have done the single crochet of the row that I did here into that corner chain, and then we will do our corner stitch here, and then I have to tap my tablet because it's going dark. Then I do my 2 corner stitches here, so this is 1 and this is 2. And then we have to do 10. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and in my other videos I put a marker also in this stitch to be able to pick that up more easily, but well, we have markers and we have needles, so we can pull it up a little bit. So pick that up, that chain. So this was our last of this side, and next we have to close our round, and actually we will be doing that like we always did, and we have our mark into that corner single crochet here, and first of all, so here is our single crochet that we have to get our work through or finish our round. So pull that through just like we always did. So, and then we will do our round that will be preparing for crocheting everything together. We have come now to the round, our final round around the block, where we will do our trick to be able to crochet together the blocks. And well, first of all we start like usual, and we do we pick up the white yarn and we pull on both yarns and we do a chain stitch. And now we will do something different. Well, first of all, we have done the closed corners here, and usually we start the row with doing a single crochet into the first chain, and in this case we replaced that with a single crochet, so it would have been here where we started, but this time we start into the stitch before it, and you will see why that is. So we pick up that loop here, and that's usually a bit harder to do because we pulled the blue yarn through it while closing the round with the blue. So we do our single crochet, and then we do 4 chains, 2, 3, 4, and then we skip the 2 single crochets here, and here we do our first single crochet of this side, and here is the next part of the trick. We will do a chain, we skip 1 stitch, and we do a single crochet, a chain, skip 1 stitch, single crochet, and we do this all the way through this row until we have done 6 single crochets. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and to check if you have ended at the right place, you can always look here. Here is that corner where we worked into, and you see these 4 legs of these 2 single crochets that have been worked into this stitch, and we have ended in the first one here. So let's do this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, skip 2, and then again do the same, single crochet, chain, single crochet, chain, and well, I will repeat that until I'm almost at the end, and then I will be back to you. As you can see now, we have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 single crochets on this side, and then I actually stop, and I never end it right away, because we first have to make together all the blocks, and then you first should have to pull out a little bit, but when you come to an end with the last single crochet on this side, and then you can cut off your yarn and make it the last chain actually by making a duplicate stitch with the needle, which I will show you in the next part of the video. And well, then we have prepared this block for crocheting it together with the other blocks.